Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have the basics: editor, runtime, and a project folder. Now create the main file and initialize version control so changes are safe. Once done, add a simple run script and a linter to catch syntax early. This prevents wasted debugging time. Make sure to pick a file structure that separates config, source, and tests. You begin by typing a minimal working example into the main file and running it immediately to confirm the environment. You now implement the core logic in small, focused files, one module per responsibility. Start with the simplest happy path for each module, then add edge case handling. Once each piece has a unit test, integrate them and run the suite. Failing tests show where to refine interfaces. Make sure to use clear variable names and consistent formatting so you and others read code faster. When all tests pass locally, run the integrated example to confirm the combined behavior matches expectations. You finish by documenting usage and edge cases, then run final checks, lint, tests, and an example run. Deploy or package only after those pass. If something breaks, isolate the failure by running the smallest unit that reproduces it, add concise logging, and compare behavior to the last passing commit. Make sure to revert or create a hotfix branch if needed. This keeps main stable. One key tip: if errors persist, step back to the minimal example.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.